Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guide. Today, I'm going to show you how to utilize GitHub as a free website hosting platform. So, let's get right on with the video. So, very quickly on Google or on any browser, go to GitHub pages. From here, you can see that you can create websites and projects using GitHub pages. Here are some samples already created. So from here, you want to go to project site and they'll teach you everything you need to know. So here you need to choose either a theme or you can select from their pre-built themes or you can start from scratch. If you choose a theme, that would be much easier, mainly because all you need to do is to select a theme that GitHub already has in store for you. So you can either choose from the repository right here. These are the choices that you have. And then you can edit the content depending on how you would want it. So there's already a code and you can edit these codes depending on your preferences and of course depending on what the content of your web page will be. Then afterwards, just click on commit changes and that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.